morning sir, my name is J. Reddy. My register number is UR1/CS150. Today here I am going to explain the 7th exercise of the database, that is view sequence and index. Here they asked to make use of the employee company, employee company, and then they have given some queries to solve the queries. Here now we will see these queries in the spool file. In this spool file, first question is to create a view to display the employee name, company name, salary, date, employee city, and company city of the employees. So here I have created here I have used the query to create or replace view v4, ename, cname, salary, date, and city as select e.ename, e.cname, e.salary, e.date, and c.city. This is the query for this one. For employee company, e join company c. Now I use join, and then on e.cname equal to c.cname. So the view is created, and the second question is to select the view name and text from the user's views data dictionary view. So for this one, here we use it view for DSC view4, so it will display select view name comma text two users from the views, and then here we have to select these IDs. So all these rows will be all these users views will be so view name. Here we have selected view name and text from the user's view, so the directory will be displayed like this. See here by using v6, v4, everything we have created the views so that it will display all the user views. So here we will, so all these views are created up to here. So see here views are created, and then the next question is to attempt to change the joining date of the Anil to so we have to change the joining date of the Anil to 10 December 1990 in the view which is created, that which is updatable. If yes, so here they asked the question to update the joining date of the Anil. So for this one, update v4. So set jdate is equal to I am giving the jdate as 10 December 1999. So where employee name is Anil and set jdate is as 10 December. So the output will be displayed for this one. And then the next question is to create a view v1, display the employee name, salary name of the employees who are working in the company ACC. Here we have to create a view v1 to display the employee name, salary, and company name of the employees who work in the company ACC. So for this one, see here I have created a replace view v5 by ename, salary, and ename as select ename, salary, cname from employee company where cname is equal to SSS. Therefore the view is created, and then it will be displayed. And then here next question is to insert the following data into the table. We have to insert this employee name, cname, salary, and jdate into the following table. So for this one I have given the query like here, that is to insert into the employee name, ename, cname, salary, and jdate where the employee name is Ashok, and enter the value of cname and salary. Also we have to insert the employee company values into this ename, cname, salary, and jdate, and also the employee values to these employee values as Ashok, 12, and jdate I have inserted into those tables. Okay, so here I have inserted into those tables, so the output will be displayed like this. And then the next question is to create the same with here to display a row by using v1. Here we have to display a row by using the view v1. So for this one, so here the question is to create a view for retrieving the company name, its average salary, its maximum salary, its minimum salary. For this one, So this is the query for this one, that is to create or replace view V7 C name average salary minimum salary maximum salary as select E name average E salary minimum E salary maximum E salary from employees from employees company E group by C name. So all this will be grouped and the output will be declared like this. The next question is to create the view that gives the information about the employee name, salary and living city. For this one, this is the query: create a replace view V8 E name, salary, living city as select E name employee name E city, that is employee name, employee salary and employee city. From the employees E join employee company employee and E name is equal to employee name. Therefore the view is created and the output will be displayed like this. And then the next question is to create the sequence test sequence with start value 1, increment 1, maximum of 10,000 with the for this one the here they ask to create the index or E name C name of the employee company table. So here we have to create the index. So for this one the output will be like this, that is to select the test sequence next interval from devel. So next interval will be displayed. Same for the for the 16th question, that is to drop the index that which is created. So here the query will be like this: select the test sequence given current value from dual. So see here it is to create the index 3 on employee upper city. So the index is created. These are the two questions asked in the last. Those are create a function based on index and uppercase of the city of the employee table and drop the index that which is created. For this one, these are the queries. That is, one is to create the index on employee upper city and one is to drop the index 3. So the index will be here created and here the index will be dropped. So this is my program. Thank you, sir.